This tea will boost your immune system and fight infections and viruses. We have never talked as much about strengthening our immunity as we have in recent days, have we? So, in today's video, we'll show you an amazing natural tea recipe to strengthen your immune system and also give you some information on how to boost the effectiveness of tea. To improve and strengthen our immunity, we must take care of ourselves. We need to feed ourselves with foods and beverages that stimulate our bodies, and we need to avoid eating processed industrial foods, such as junk food and fried foods. It is also necessary to rest and get enough sleep, to exercise outdoors whenever possible, and also to use essential oil diffusers, which appear a lot on our channel. But if you want extra help, we have a special recipe to show you. Learn how to make a tea with lemon, garlic, ginger and turmeric to strengthen your immunity. This tea is effective against coughs, colds, flu symptoms, sore throats, and also rebuilds immunity and is an excellent anti-inflammatory. Make this tea and add to your diet foods that fight infections and viral diseases, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, spice seeds and microalgae. All of these foods contain important nutrients and other substances that can fight infections, phytochemicals, strengthening your immune system. On top of that, don't forget to drink plenty of water, coconut water, green tea, matcha, chamomile and other teas that will help you stay hydrated. It is to be hoped that the coronavirus from China will not repeat the same fatal pandemic as the Spanish flu of 1918 with its 20 million deaths. Above all, it is important to be especially vigilant for young children, the elderly and the sick, who are most vulnerable to infectious agents. While there is no miracle method, apart from vaccines, to boost immunity, a few simple rules based in particular on traditional uses can help. The first easy step is to have good, quality and restorative sleep. Many studies have led to poorer immunity for sleep disorders. Of course, we cannot advocate the same sleep duration for everyone, because there are small and large sleepers. The needs vary from 6 to 9 hours daily. It is above all necessary to listen to you, not to fight against the urge to sleep, and to be careful to reduce the use of television and computer screens at the end of the day, which tend to stimulate awakening. Don't forget to remove all connected objects, including your mobile phone, from your bedroom. No alarm clocks either. Take a mechanical alarm clock, or brightness from various nightlights. Your room should not be overheated and have, of course, a good mattress to sleep better.